Hey guys, and
Sure.
welcome to Nerdcast, where we nerd out about various topics. Today, we are going to talk about smartphones and their features. And for that discussion, we are joined us by Abbas,
Hi.
Pranit,
Hello.
and Akash.
Hey,
So, since we are talking about current technologies that are prevalent in smartphones, which one do you think is a game changer, Pranit?
I'd say 4K 60 FPS is a game changing feature because you're getting it in on your phone, like literally a small device. You don't have to spend $2,000 for a different camera. You're getting a lot of features it with.
एंड फोन्स इतने एडवांस हो गए कि लिटरली डिफरेंस नेग्लिजिबल हो गया कि आप जो है क्या बोलते हैं फोन से शूट कर रहे वीडियो या कोई प्रोफेशनल कैमरा है तो टू दी एमेच्योर आई यू कांट टेल द डिफरेंस. सिर्फ प्रोफेशनल लोग डिफरेंस पिक आउट कर सकते हैं उन दोनों में.
या एक्चुअली मैंने एक वीडियो देखा था LG V30 का, तो उन्होंने फोन को LG का देखा था और सैमसंग का देखा था. एक फोन था सैमसंग का S20 था आई गेस.
हाँ.
तो उन्होंने वो फोन को ड्रोन में लगाया और ड्रोन से एक वीडियो शूट किया और उसका फुटेज एक्चुअली 4K 60 FPS जो कैम्स होते हैं उनसे बेटर था. एंड सम कैमरास हैज द फ्यूचर लाइक उनका रॉ फाइल्स आता है कैमरा में अगर लेते हो तुम तो. सो इफ यू आर शूटिंग अ वीडियो यू कैन गेट अ रॉ फाइल आउट ऑफ इट and you can edit it afterwards.
I guess sir,
Yeah.
60
We
FPS is a game changer overall in any smartphone basically. जैसे let's say 1080 पे भी 60 FPS और 30 FPS आपको समझ में आता है कि फ्लूइडिटी क्या होती है कैमरा की.
Yeah,
वीडियो
yeah,
मैंने जो पहली बार 60 FPS देखा था तब आई थॉट कि वो फास्ट मोशन में चल रहा है लेकिन वो नॉर्मल स्पीड पे भी लग रहा है. आई वॉज कंफ्यूज कि क्या चल रहा है वो. एंड अभी तो 60 FPS शायद ऑलमोस्ट हर फोन में आ रहा है 1080p के लिए.
Yeah,
वो
1080p 60.
4K का डिफरेंस यू कैन गेट इट. आई मीन 4K और 1080p का तो डिफरेंस इज लिटरली वे अहेड.
yeah. And even
yeah.
like 4K में जब हम रिकॉर्डिंग करते हैं तो normally what happens is 30 FPS में you would see कि exposure कम हो जाता है. तो 60 FPS में like I was reading about it and actually when there is a 4K 60 FPS recording on an iPhone, what they do is they record it in 120 FPS, in which every alternate frame is a higher exposure frame. So that final output is as good as a 1080p 60 FPS वाली exposure. So so think about the whole processing. So 4K 120 FPS is the actual recording that they are doing behind the scene.
Nice.
अभी वो टेक्नोलॉजी लिटरली
Yeah.
किसी और डिवाइस में नहीं आई है.
And one more thing I would like to point out ki if you have 1080p 60 fps or 4K 60 fps, you need to have optical image stabilization.
True.
That is
हाँ.
the
That is really needed. Yeah.
most
Yeah.
needed thing.
Which I think some of the phones are like removing out of their features because they're using AI for stabilization. But if you compare that AI stabilization to actual optical image stabilization, there's a ton of difference.
Yeah, there's
Yeah, because software is not as good as physical components right now. अभी इसको time
Yeah.
लगेगा for software to get
Yeah, true.
as better
So
as the
basically as we are talking about
physical.
60 FPS, यही हम लोग डिस्प्लेस के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं which has high refresh rate. So 60
हाँ.
FPS जैसे आपको शूट कर रहे हो वही you need to watch it in a higher refresh rate on your phone, right? So आजकल वही गेम
Yeah.
चेंजिंग ये हो रहा है जो which is 120 hertz. 120 hertz display,
True.
90 hertz display, which people are ignoring. The feature is really ignored, but it is the main feature if you have a 4K 60 FPS, or rather, it is a good screen quality.
it's not actually a like a good feature I'd say for mobiles. It's a game changing for PCs actually. When I upgraded my 60 hertz display from a 120 hertz display, it was like a complete change because I didn't notice like a lag or anything because I used to play on a 60 hertz IPS panel and now I'm playing on a 120 hertz IPS panel. So this display is much more brighter and much more good looking I'd say, because if it looks good then it's an awesome display. More
ऐसी
brighter
बोलूंगा
PC
कि
पे तो
जिससे more of a feature for gaming
PC
enthusiasts जो कि है phones पे,
but
that would get a better usage out of a higher
नहीं
refresh rate display.
नहीं
but
पीसी पे तो ऑब्वियसली डिफरेंस दिख के आएगा बिकॉज स्क्रीन बड़ी होती है बट फोन्स पे भी डिफरेंस इज क्वाइट विजिबल
yeah,
बिकॉज पुराने जो फोन्स होते थे फॉर एग्जांपल 5 साल पुराने जब अगर फोन की स्पेस बढ़ गई तो बहुत स्टक होते थे तो द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द 60 फ्रेम्स पर सेकेंड एंड 90 फ्रेम्स पर सेकेंड ऐसा ही है कि आपका फोन स्टक हो रहा है बिकॉज मेरा जो पुराना फोन था आई ट्राइड यूजिंग इट आफ्टर 6-7 months एंड इवन दो द फोन वाज फैक्ट्री रीसेट आई फेल्ट कि बहुत अटक के चल रहा है तो दैट डिफरेंस you can see after using a 90 frames per second or 120 for a long time.
I guess difference, but तभी समझता है जब you actually use it. Whereas I haven't used a 120
Yeah.
hertz display or a 90 hertz display, and I still think my OnePlus is still capable of having 60 FPS and it's still good. As in, it's still fluid. There's no lag. But I guess when I shift to a 120 hertz display, that might change my opinion.
That the
Yeah.
buying my gaming PC, I decided not to get a 120 hertz panel, so that I do not get used to it. And then when I go back to my camper, then I'll be like, hey, I'm not getting a 120 FPS display
there
there.
is one con of upgrading a 60 hertz to 120 hertz that you cannot go back to 60
back.
hertz display.
Exactly.
That's the problem.
60 hertz.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
a
Another feature that I would say is like game changing would be the whole advent of in-screen fingerprint displays in smartphones. Like
हाँ
when it comes to Android phone, they are more dependent on the fingerprint sensors right now. And when it comes to like making it bezel-less, like this is the best thing that they have come up with when it comes to like extending the screen to body ratio.
I guess there is an option. There is
हाँ
a much bigger play in this thing in the fingerprint sensor, in-screen fingerprint sensor. So this is a new technology they have come up with, which is looking through the screen, which the sensor uses.
yeah
This might have a huge possibility of uses, like let's say cameras, camera behind the screen.
Yeah.
It might be happening right now. It is happening right now. It is in the process. But I
Yeah.
guess that the in-screen fingerprint sensor has a much bigger play rather than
Yeah.
just the use of fingerprint sensor. So
That's true.
that's
And
True.
as you have mentioned, camera, like in-screen camera, as far as I know, either Oppo or Vivo have already like released like a demo device, not like a public, not for public, but they've already like showed a device, prototype device that actually has an in-screen camera,
Mm.
and like it
Yeah.
shows a little bit through the screen, but it's a pretty good like if that technology gets improved through the time, I think that's a good like use of space inside the
yes.
smartphone. And that whole
Yeah.
like
Even
not
Samsung.
that is irritating.
I think
That would be
Samsung
like-
did that. Samsung did that, right?
Yeah, Samsung has already patented the idea like last year 2019 and next year, yeah, end of next year, I think they'll be releasing a mediocre phone with that feature just to test out.
I
But
guess, yeah.
to security, I think a better jump was made by like Pixel and the iPhone when it comes to security, like in the form of Face ID, because
Yeah.
when you see the whole like security aspect of it, the fingerprint sensor is like 1 in 50,000 probability of like being like you like I don't know what exactly how they measure the whole probability of it being
More
misused.
secure.
Basically,
Yeah.
the accuracy of
Yeah,
opening
the
it
accuracy of
correctly.
opening it. Yeah, and the same for the Face ID goes for 1 in 200,000 because that is like a 3D imaging done by dot projectors and infrared sensors. So it's much more secure and much more faster actually in a way because you don't have to wait for your thumb to go on the screen. It literally just sees you and unlocks the
It's, I
phone for you.
guess, the higher the amount of hardware that you use, it might be more secure. Because
Yeah.
so like when iPhone uses infrared sensors and dot projectors.
Yeah,
So in short, they have three main things on their screen, which is infrared sensor, dot projector, and a camera. So it is better to have
Yes.
more hardware and more accurate hardware in a phone for security.
But
Yeah.
software also plays a
But it
major part.
Yeah.
Apple is also using machine learning and AI for their face ID. Morning face, tired face, ऐसा बोल सकते हैं, हैप्पी फेस, वो
करता
हाँ
रिकग्नाइज
करता है
करता है।
recognize करता है।
हाँ करता है, मैंने पढ़ा है ये।
मेरे तरफ
क्योंकि
से सिर्फ
जब
ये देखता है कि आंखें बंद है खुली है। तो what it actually does it basically so when I unlock my phone, if I'm not looking at the phone directly or if my eyes are closed, it does not unlock the phone. So and
हाँ
when it like when I'm sleeping or something, if it starts using the same thing, if I'm tired, तो मेरी आंखें आधी बंद होगी ना। तो
yeah,
so that's the whole machine learning at play that you have said कि अगर मैं tired होऊंगा तो it will still recognize that I'm still trying to look at the phone, just my eyes are half closed and it will still unlock the phone for me.
Google is doing also this thing because they have a lot of data, so they
Yeah,
can do it much more efficient way, you know.
Google was actually paying students at a university in Florida
yeah,
like $50 or $100 for giving their face data so that the face unlock feature in Pixel 4 and 4 XL got better using the software. But इसका disadvantage ये है, by depending on like Akash said dot projector, IR scanner, कि physical components ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं and you have to leave that space on top of the phone for
yeah,
those
Yeah,
components. तो
बस
screen compromise हो
स्पेस ही
जाती है
नहीं,
उससे.
बस स्पेस ही नहीं, सो मनी इज आल्सो एन फैक्टर
yeah, the
यहाँ पे,
price
जहाँ पे
also, yeah,
बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली तो जितना ज्यादा हार्डवेयर, जितना ज्यादा एडवांस हार्डवेयर यूज कर रहा है, उतना ही
mm-hmm.
ज्यादा वो फोन का प्राइस बढ़ेगा, एंड दैट्स
yeah,
एन
yeah,
इशू फॉर
Yeah.
फॉर द नॉर्मल पब्लिक who won't be so interested in the hardware. I mean, let's say
mm,
you compare OnePlus and iPhone, दोनों में फेस अनलॉक है, बट दोनों की प्राइस में बहुत डिफरेंस है।
Yeah.
अगर तुम्हें बताया गया है कि आईफोन बहुत सिक्योर है, पीपल वोंट गो फॉर लाइक लेट्स से 20-30,000 एक्स्ट्रा जस्ट फॉर द सिक्योरिटी। ऑब्वियसली जिनको जरूरत है वो तो
Security.
करेंगे ही। सो
uh,
इफ इट्स अ नीड, ऑब्वियसली यू हैव टू, बट जब तक
mm.
नीड नहीं है तब तक गो यू डोंट ऑप्ट फॉर दैट फीचर। सो
But I
वो
would
एक
still say
ड्रॉबैक हो
that
सकता है।
कि just how कोई भी टेक्नोलॉजी जब लॉन्च होती है
हाँ
and within time it gets cheaper. If you look at like Face ID, the first time it launched was in $1,000 phone, the iPhone 10, but finally it has trickled down to a $650 phone right now.
yeah,
So if it is
Yeah.
going down that way, Pixel का भी प्राइस मेरे ख्याल से कुछ $800 पे आ गया, तो $800, $650 मेरा iPhone 10R, so both of them have the Face ID. So future में we can expect कि $400-500 पे भी it will fall down and then slowly it will be a
नहीं,
budget feature,
फेस आईडी
just
बेसिकली
the
तो
way
हो रहा है
fingerprint
शायद।
scanner भी हुआ था. Face ID
सुनने में
कहाँ
आ
हुआ
रहा
है
है कि
मतलब?
Pixel 5 में Face ID नहीं होने वाला है. Pixel
यार
5 में.
गूगल को ना
They are going back to
कर नहीं
the
सकते
they are going back
यार,
to the
उन्होंने
fingerprint scanner.
But the thing with fingerprint is in-screen fingerprint scanners are like हाथ सामने रखना पड़ता है। The phone I am using right now,
Yeah, they are
मैंने
going.
I'll show you, मैंने फोन ऐसा पकड़ा है, मेरा उंगली इस पे पड़ता है, फोन खुल जाता है, सिंपल।
बट
इन
वो तेरा
शेयर
स्क्रीन
स्टैंड
थोड़ा
पे नहीं
सा,
करता ना,
प्लेसमेंट,
Yeah,
the sheer placement of the
फोन अगर तेरा स्टैंड पे है तो
yeah,
प्लेसमेंट,
it's more frustrating though.
या
Sideways fingerprint scanners,
sideways,
which
yes,
Sony
exactly.
used to have at the time,
हाँ, Sony used to have.
and that was really a nice
Actually,
way.
Poco
Like,
has that right now.
Poco has
Poco
that. It
X2,
was
Poco
done by
X2. My mom is using Poco X2, so they have side fingerprint. So you
yeah,
just
it was
press the
done by
but
a
button.
new phone. I don't remember, Blue something.
so
Uh,
Blue is basically by TCL. If no
हाँ,
one knows about it, like yeah,
yeah. So that's the phone that did it the first time. जो पावर बटन में ही उसने फिंगरप्रिंट सेंसर डाला था।
not the first time I think because 2015 में 2012-14 में Acura Z2 आया था and that had
अच्छा
fingerprint
अच्छा,
scanner
ओके,
in their
आई डिडंट नो दैट।
sideways. It's not the first time, yeah.
ओके,
So Acura Z2 2015 में आया था, so that had the same feature.
so I guess one of the main features that we have right now, which is a game changer, is also AI photography.
Yeah,
Yeah.
And it has
yeah.
been coming down to phones till like 10,000 rupees phone also has the AI technology. I don't know how accurate it can be, क्योंकि मेरे दोस्त ने एक Realme X जो फोन X2 या X Realme X, so उस पे
uh-huh.
जो AI टेक्नोलॉजी है,
Yeah.
इट यूजर वो कैमरा यूज करता है AI टेक्नोलॉजी,
Mhm.
विच इज अ गेम चेंजर आई गेस, बिकॉज उसके फोटोज से लगता नहीं है कि वो इट really is a cheap camera or anything.
See, AI camera is a nice feature. What LG has right now in AI camera is it recognizes dog, cat, plants,
Yeah.
food, floor, everything.
Yeah.
But the
Mhm.
main feature we are talking about here, AI camera, is what Pixel has. Because I
Yeah.
have seen a lot of people using it. मेरे दोस्त एक यूएसए में है मेरा दोस्त, तो उसने उसके इंस्टा पे डाला था द फोटो ही शॉट एट नाइट, बट इट लुक्स लाइक अ डे, इट लुक्स लाइक अ लिटरली, मतलब कितना दोपहर के 12 बजे
So
ऐसा
AI
दिखता
फीचर एज इन जो
हाँ,
नाइट फीचर है उसका.
है.
नाइट
Mm.
शॉट, नाइट
Night
शॉट
shot.
जो
Night shot.
फीचर है.
It's a night
It
shot. Yeah.
automatically shifts, right? It
Yeah. It
Yeah,
automatically
automatically
shifts
shifts
to
to
the
night mode.
night time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
now it automatically detects when there's no light.
Yeah.
Oh.
Also, there's one more thing that what you call AI camera, what you call has is Smart HDR, which Apple also has. It
yeah,
basically what it does, whenever you click a photograph, it does not take just one or two exposures, but it takes 8 exposures, three of them being light exposures, three of them being dark ones, and two at normal, and then combines them into an HDR photograph. And it does that live, like when you're clicking, it does that instantaneously. Rather than you have to, like most of the phones, when you just go back 2 or 3 years, if you take up any phone and it has like any of these long exposure photographs, they take like multiple shots and you have to wait for the photograph to like stop being processed before you can finally see
Yeah,
it. But that has also like changed a lot in this time. Like
Yeah.
now you're seeing that live in front of you
and
without
HDR
having to
photos
wait
yeah,
in
for it.
a lot of phones have HDR photos in a lot of phones have like changed a lot of things, because I used LG G3 6 years back, I guess. Yeah, 6 years back, and now I'm using LG V30. So the HDR feature has a lot of improvements over
Yeah,
past 2 to 3 years.
True.
yeah,
I'd say.
It would take
that
about 2 to 3 seconds to take a photo about 5 years back. Right now,
Yeah,
yeah,
it's happening instantaneously. As you take a photo, you can shoot next photo right there,
yeah, yeah.
and that's a good
yeah.
feature to
Now there
have.
is
And
even
the
a
pro
burst
and
feature
the
now of taking 60 photographs in just 1 second. So just think about the
yeah,
whole impact of
Yeah,
it.
true.
so
So
I'd
Yeah,
going
say
into the yeah. Bol.
I'd say these are the only current features that are like impressive enough.
I guess that's
yeah,
it that we think are scene changers. I guess going back to the features which we miss right now, which are now gone. I
yeah,
guess the first thing that we notice is the 3.5 jack, which I
yeah.
guess almost everybody
yeah,
misses.
Yeah, that hurt a
Except
lot.
Sanit, I guess,
Yeah,
because he still
because
has one.
I used to see the time, it was like 2018, right?
Yeah.
2018 the feature,
2017,
2017
2016, 2016, when iPhone 7 came, that headphone jack went away.
no,
I bought my
like,
phone in 2016,
Okay,
iPhone
maybe.
7,
oh,
Okay.
so
and that
you
that
was
was
have
the
when there
start
was no
of
iPhone jack.
the
start
Huh.
of the phase, na?
Yeah.
But
Phase,
the
yeah,
real change
The
started
change
happening
happened
in
in
happened in
2018.
2017 and 18.
2017
Yeah,
2018. So what happened is I badly needed a new phone. So it was like, which phone has a headphone jack in flagship category? uh, OnePlus 5 था तब,
yeah.
LG V30 था. So LG V30 had a DAC. OnePlus 5 also had a headphone jack, but it was a normal jack. What LG V30 had a DAC. A DAC is digital to analog converter. So to amplify the perfect output for an audio, higher kbps song, FLAC.
Yeah.
FLAC का full form गुरु बताएगा.
fully lossless audio codec,
Yes.
and it's like, yeah,
So fully lossless audio codec, which is like, you can hear everything in those songs. Like, I have few songs right now that I can hear every instrument and everything. You just need a good pair of headphones. And if you are getting that experience on a phone, I'm sold.
Yeah.
Take my money. Simple.
So basically, if you guys don't know what FLAC is, whenever you're recording a song, like in a studio, each and every instrument has like its own frequencies. FLAC is an audio format that is completely without compression, like the original format of the song. So, but when we are streaming that song through Spotify, Ghana, or Apple Music, they need like they can't like stream for 40 megabytes of a song. Like that is what the space that is taken by each and every song. So what these streaming services do, they use MP3 formats, which are like 320 kbps at max, and which take about 5 to 6 megabytes per song. So when you are compressing a song to that low, the frequencies, the matching frequencies of similar instruments are get lost, and you cannot hear each and every instrument as clearly as you can do in a flat song.
Getting back to the topic,
Yeah.
Yeah.
wireless headphones at that time were like really high price. If you need 14 to 13 to 14 hours of battery life, you need to spend more money actually.
Yeah.
So you need to spend around 20k to 30k Indian rupees, so INR. So you just need to spend more money for more battery life. And at that time, for mobile earbuds, Jaybird was the only option which were like taking small, which were like compact, very small
Yeah.
pieces.
हाँ
So they had fin and all that. But the price of Jaybird
हाँ
was like 40k in Indian rupees. 14, 14, not 40k, 14k. So that was pretty costly, and you cannot go to like after you bought a 50k, matlab
Phone. Yeah.
50,000 rupees phone, you cannot go to 14,000 rupees headphones for that.
Yeah.
So
I
that
guess that
was,
it hurt everybody. The
in
3.5 jack hurt everybody. I guess
Hmm.
now we are used to not having it. The flagship phones, most of the flagship phones don't have it right now.
Yeah.
Uh, I guess a few might have, but not every phone has it.
L- LG actually promised their customers that they are keeping the headphone jack like forever, and they
Lucky
are
Well, I think
improving
they
on
are the
it.
only customers who are buying
Yeah.
those who
true.
need a headphone jack.
let's see what happens next because Samsung also did that.
Yeah.
But
True.
मालूम
Yeah.
क्या हुआ.
Even Pixel also did it. Like
Pixel did
when
it.
Pixel 2 launched,
हाँ
they made fun of the iPhone 7 for
वो तो
removing the headphone jack, and then with Pixel 3 they removed it.
वो
True.
वो तो एप्पल का मजाक उड़ाने के लिए कर रहे थे वो खुद
हाँ,
का
उन्होंने
मजाक उड़
प्रॉमिस
गया
नहीं
फिर.
किया था, बट एप्पल का फन
Yeah.
ये करने के लिए
But
उन्होंने किया
तुम advertisement निकाल रहे हो, the next time you are like doing the same thing, तो it's like तुम्हारी branding image भी तो होनी चाहिए यार एक.
था. It's okay.
But I mean, if you are following industry standards,
हाँ, you have to.
basically Apple industry standards, I mean,
Well,
तो
yeah.
Apple को ही follow करना है तो तुम लोग अच्छे features लो ना यार. Why are you taking bad things?
I guess
Well,
one of the most missed feature might also
Yeah.
include IR Blaster. This was
yeah,
one hell of a feature where you get IR Blaster, which you have in a
remote
remote.
control.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
that is an IR blaster, infrared blaster. You can control
Mhm.
almost anything like ACs, TVs, set-top boxes. So you could
Projectors
control that.
also.
Projectors
Yeah.
also,
All
yes.
electronic
So ये
devices.
सब अगर
Yeah.
control कर सकते हैं तो your phone becomes a remote control also.
The
Yeah.
And
thing with
इसका बहुत
IR,
use था.
the thing with IR blasters is like it can control everything, like
Yeah.
old tech also,
Yeah.
Yeah.
मेरे पास
Exactly.
कौन सा आईवा का टीवी था which was bought in 1995. So 1995 के टीवी को मैं मेरे फोन जो मैंने 2014 में लिया है, so I can use that on old tech. That is very, but they removed it after all. I don't know what
But
happened.
well, I think it was time to remove it because now each and every product like air conditioner or like switches and TVs are all getting moved into Wi-Fi based controls.
Wi-Fi, yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I think they would have
I guess,
to.
and
They
space
finally
saving
had
was
to.
also an
Why?
issue, I guess.
Yeah, space saving
Yeah.
would be an issue, and also security.
Security?
Security was because when you are wanting to control an air conditioner or projectors
Oh,
in
okay, okay,
classroom,
okay,
you could
okay,
just
yeah.
anyone could just control them.
I
And
Yeah.
guess
now finally
everybody
with
of us
Wi-Fi and
have done
Bluetooth
that.
things are changed. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, I
exactly.
have
That's the
done
thing.
it so many times that I used to shut the projector off in my practicals,
Yeah,
and
I
it
used to
was
do that
really fun.
also. I'm sorry if any professors are watching.
Yeah, really sorry about that.
Yeah,
So I guess the next gone feature, or it might not be gone, but the compact smartphones or compact screens,
yeah,
mostly
Yeah,
smartphones. Like let's say we had a phone with Moto G1. We also had I mean,
Tech-
n number of phones. The biggest phone that I missed was
um,
compact was iPhone SE, the older version, which was which was the boxy design.
yeah.
And
And I still admit that I still have this just because I just
The
want
feel.
that feel. Like this is going to get. This is going to be inside my vintage collection of my phone, because this is still my favorite, because it's so handy. Like that is what I miss about compact phone, that you can just use it with one hand.
Xperia
I just
Z1 Compact had that actually.
Yeah, Z1 compact. Yeah,
Z1
that
Compact.
when
Z1
you said
compact,
Z1,
yeah.
I got confused because I have a Z1,
Yeah,
and
Xperia
that
Z1
still had a
Compact
5.5 inch
the
screen.
phone released when they
2014.
released Xperia Z3. When they released Xperia Z3, they released Xperia Z1 Compact.
And Z3 was a huge phone.
I don't know
At
about
that
that.
time, Z3 was a huge phone. I mean, compared to those standards. Obviously, Micromax was doing some phones which were literally called phablets.
7 tablet. Yeah,
Yeah,
So, and it was like 6 inches screen, 7 inches screen, which we thought was a huge one, and now it's normal. Now,
yeah,
phone is about 5 to 6 inches screen.
yeah.
That's huge.
yeah. For people like me who have small hands, it's like very, if you're holding a
Very
6 inch,
non-ergonomic.
yeah,
Yeah,
non-ergonomic, that's okay, but it's heavy as well as it has more screen, so
You can't touch
hmm,
it
every corner. Yeah.
एक हाथ
yeah. It's
अंकल
not
लायक
one-handed.
लगता है
yeah
वो थोड़ा सा इज लाइक
No, no,
क्या है क्या बोलोगे
Exactly.
I
Yeah.
guess
Like जब मेरे
these,
को
एक हाथ
phone
सिर्फ
change
yeah,
करना था, तो I had to like literally make do with getting a bigger phone, because there was no other option in the market right now. So
या
that's something I would like to, like,
hmm.
that if it comes back, it will be a nice
We hope for
change.
the compact phones to come back.
Mm.
I
Since we just talked about, the features that are going away from our phones today, let's talk about how Samsung is just expected to remove the charger from the box, following the heels of the rumors of Apple removing theirs. So
आई जस्ट
Apple
डोंट
ने
गेट
just rumors थे,
क्या
and Samsung just decided कि चलो हम अनाउंस
कर
ही कर
देते
देते
हैं.
हैं पब्लिक को कि भाई नहीं डाल रहे हम चार्जर.
द थिंग दैट कंफ्यूजेस मी इज अगर कोई बंदा न्यू फोन ले रहा है सो व्हाट ही शुड एक्सपेक्ट
हाँ
हाउ मच डॉलर ही शुड पे फॉर अ चार्जर
I
and it
डॉलर्स
should be
या
a
रुपीस
what
में
it should
ये
be a
करते हैं.
fast charger or a normal charger because if they are removing chargers I don't know about if they are removing the cables or not. I have no idea about that.
Cables are a part of the phone boxes. Apple
Yeah,
में भी same चीज है, and क्योंकि cables
बस
are a
बॉक्स.
commodity that get destroyed.
yeah,
Like you use it, it get destroyed.
yeah,
तो चार्जर्स का सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हर घर में ऑलरेडी चार्जर्स हैं, एंड ई बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है करंटली. लास्ट ईयर 50 मिलियन टन वाज द वेट ऑफ ई वेस्ट, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ इट वाज यूज फोन एंड चार्जर. तो चार्जर का
हाँ
कमोडिटी जो हर फोन के साथ आती है, एंड वी आइदर लीव थ्रो इट अवे और वी जस्ट एड इट टू आवर कलेक्शन इन आवर लाइक ड्रॉअर्स और समथिंग.
but I would like to point out one
okay
thing that the thing with there is no such thing as a universal charger, right? OnePlus has its dash charger. I asked my friend about charging on a dash charger. He said like don't do it because it won't be compatible with your phone.
ट्रू.
क्योंकि वोल्टेज वगैरह थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हो गया बैटरी को प्रॉब्लम आ गया तो इशू हो सकता है सो ये
इट इज कि अगर तुम ऐसा फोन ले रहे हो जो कि नॉन नॉन स्टैंडर्ड चार्जिंग प्रोटोकॉल फॉलो करता है, तो उनके साथ तो ऑब्वियसली चार्जर तुमको मिलना जरूरी है, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट फॉलोइंग द स्टैंडर्ड.
या
बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू फोन लाइक सैमसंग के सारे फोन दे फॉलो द स्टैंडर्ड क्विक चार्ज 3 कंपैटिबल, एंड एप्पल का दे फॉलो द रेगुलर 5 वोल्ट एंड 18 वोल्ट फास्ट चार्जिंग जो कि रेगुलर क्विक चार्ज है. So when they are already following those what you call standards, everyone already have those chargers. But हाँ, अगर कोई standard से हटके कुछ कर रहा है, obviously they would need to keep the charger with their phone.
या
आई गेस ये
So
एक बड़ा
तो
मार्केट
इसके
भी है
लिए
उनके लिए
hmm,
कि tying up. Let's say you already have like Apple, you can purchase an Apple charger while you are buying an iPhone. So
exactly. So you
that
can
yeah
just
way
give it
they
as a
have
discount, maybe.
हाँ
If anyone
maybe.
needs a charger at that time, they can just get the charger at a discount rather than a
Yeah,
full rate
but that is
with the
also
phone.
still a next industrial opening for them,
Mm-hmm.
as the charger might be extra, right? The charger, let's say $5,
yeah
$10, 500 रुपए, 1000 रुपए भी रहो,
Yeah,
1000 रुपए अगर 1000 भी सेल कर रहे हो, 1000 रुपए
yeah.
का 1000 सेल इज स्टिल अ ह्यूज नंबर. फिर वही 10 लाख का ये
Yeah.
अमाउंट आ जाएगा.
But
So
मैं तुमको one more thing
that
बोलूंगा कि because when we are talking in terms of business, logistics is a huge part of a business. And I don't know if you know about it. Like मैं एक छोटा example दूंगा. Like currently because of the coronavirus, सबसे बड़ा इम्पैक्ट आया लॉजिस्टिक पे. ठीक है, एक बॉक्स एक कंटेनर में जितना तुम मैक्सिमाइज कर सकते हो, दे हैव टू मैक्सिमाइज द अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट दे कैन ट्रांसफर थ्रू अ कंटेनर. एंड चार्जर रिमूव करते ही दे वर एबल टू गेट द बॉक्स थिकनेस टू 1/3 of their original thickness.
Okay.
Triple in a row.
Hmm.
Triple in a row.
Cost
So think
saving.
about how much more phones they would be able to transfer in a single box, because taxes and everything are based on containers, not based on like uh, what you call the amount. So तुम containers के हिसाब से चल रहे हो, तो that is a much better deal for them.
If you
Exactly.
think
Cost
about
saving.
it, in 2-3 years we will receive only phones in the boxes,
Yeah.
because it started with headphones, now it's chargers, then it will be cables, and
Yeah.
the
I guess the
remaining
end
part
It's
will
just
be
like how you
And
buy it's just like how you buy a camera, I guess. Like तुम camera लेते हो, either you get the lenses cheaper with them, like for a discount, or you just don't get the lenses and you use your older lenses.
yeah.
So I think phones are also becoming a commodity like that. That all these accessories everyone already have and they are standardized. So they
Yeah.
just need a new phone to replace, and the accessory they can replace at their own time.
the thing with cameras, the difference between cameras and phone is, camera जब आप खरीदोगे तो you get the camera का charger with it, and phone का charger निकालना is
Okay.
completely
No,
different.
no,
Nice
Lens
point.
lens is a feature. No, lens is a feature. Charger is a necessity. ठीक है.
but
Nice.
एक
And
मिनट,
when you buy a phone,
सोनी का
when
कैमरा
you
लेने जाओगे,
one
you
second.
don't get a charger.
So when you buy a phone, you are expecting all the required essential appliances and चीजें with it, right? तो आपको हो गया ईयरफोन्स, हो गया चार्जर, हो गया चार्जिंग केबल, हो गया. ठीक है. पहले तो ईयरफोन्स अभी धीरे धीरे एप्पल भी निकाल रहा है, सो दैट दे कैन प्रमोट यूजर्स टू बाय एयरपॉड्स. अभी ये चार्जिंग का, अब ये ई वेस्ट का तो आई थिंक इट इज अ बहाना.
It might be
ठीक
a
है.
additional thing for them.
या टू
Because they need
प्रमोट
to export
people
chargers
buying this.
as well, right? They need to export
Yeah.
chargers as well after that,
True.
because तुम अगर individually sell कर रहे हो तो उसको भी अलग बॉक्स में, तो वो भी
तो
एक वेस्ट हो रहा है.
That they already have that product
हाँ.
market में.
नो बट फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अब मैं जो है सैमसंग का फोन यूज कर रहा हूँ, अब मैं आईफोन खरीदूंगा तो
हाँ.
मुझे ऑब्वियसली आईफोन का चार्जर होना पड़ेगा,
नहीं,
बिकॉज लाइक
you
यू
can use
सेड
your Samsung charger.
डिफरेंट
They are at the same
स्टैंडर्ड्स
protocol.
होंगे.
So Apple support 5 watt, 10 watts, 18 watt, 15 watt सारे चार्जिंग जो आप Samsung के जो स्टैंडर्ड चार्जिंग प्रोटोकॉल था सारे. So that's the thing ना, if you are supporting all the protocols, then you can just, जैसे
हाँ.
wireless charging है, no one sells their own wireless
Okay.
charging, right? Apple sell नहीं करता ना, because it's following a protocol that is already in the market. तो तुम
guess.
अपना
Okay.
फोन लो, you can just use your old Samsung charger.
So, as we were talking about, as Guru was talking about wireless charging, we'll shift into truly wireless charging, which is the future of wireless charging right now, which works as when when let's say you enter your room and your charger is about 5 to 6 feet away, or your wireless charger is about 5 to 6 feet away, it automatically charges your phone when you just enter the room, not necessary to keep it on any pad or any surface. So I guess ये नया feature we are expecting.
Yeah.
This
So
we are talking.
last year we saw a patent by Apple regarding the same. So let's see if there are no medical consequences of it. I'd hope that it just comes out as soon as possible.
Yeah, we are talking about truly wireless, and I don't see this happening at least 4 to 5 years, because technology is
because
evolving rapidly, but this wireless things are not evolving that rapidly. There are a lot of problems people are facing,
यार वो तो
and
तुम ये सोचो कि 5G पे लेकर लोग बोल रहे हैं कि कोरोना वायरस 5G से हो जाता है, तो जब वायरलेस चार्जर आएगा तो बोलेंगे कैंसर उससे हो जा रहा है. तो
भाई क्या बोलूं मैं अभी, कुछ भी बोलते हैं लोग.
नहीं, I guess true, एक issue है उसमें जो, because it is frequency ये कर रहा है ना, जो emit कर रहा है,
yeah,
electromagnetic frequency है,
हाँ
which
हाँ,
is hazardous to a human body. जो
which
problem
can
है,
be, you never
which
know,
but
you
can be,
don't
हाँ,
exactly know if it, yeah.
yeah, so that can be
but
hazardous.
there
So that's what I said, that if there are
but
no
there
medical issues regarding
True.
the same, but अगर hazardous होगा तो I
there
don't think a company would release it.
the frequencies पे ऐसा है कि there are few frequencies which are hazardous and few which don't have an effect on our body. तो
Yeah.
if the frequency of the wireless chargers comes under those which isn't effective on our body, then I think we'll be all right.
But the
We'll be
wireless
alright, yeah.
chargers we have right now are like they have micro USB cables. And
Yeah.
I have a
Yeah,
charger
you
with my I had a charger
US
with my phone, so they have micro USB cables. They
Hmm.
have their charger, so you have to
Yeah.
place a phone on there, but it charges slowly. Fast
I guess
wireless fast wireless charging can also be a thing in future.
I
No?
guess that's where
Yeah.
OnePlus is coming in with their Dash wireless charger, where you use their inbuilt wires and their special charger, which charges exactly the same amount of time, which
Yeah.
the wired chargers will charge. That's where
Yeah.
OnePlus is coming with. But
Hmm.
I guess it still has time to get developed. इतना
Yeah.
डेवलप नहीं हुआ है वो जो जितना
Improvement के लिए बहुत
Talking,
time
we
है
just
wireless
talked
charging.
about dash charging by OnePlus. So let's move to the parent company of OnePlus and how Oppo is actually going to release like a 120 watt fast charging, wired charging, which can charge a 4000 milliampere battery to 30% in just 3 minutes. So think about it. Like there might be a future where you won't even need think about a charger. You can put it and just 5 minutes
yeah
and
I
just you can go
guess
back to your
not
entire
even
day.
5 minutes I guess just docking it about for
And
4 or 5 seconds and you take it off your phone is
yeah,
charged and that's it
it
that
sounds like a
might be
capacitor now.
yeah it seems like 10 years 20 years down the line but it can be a possibility.
Yeah, exactly. So
yeah.
I hope they doesn't end up like Samsung Note 7, you know?
yeah,
True.
One more feature I would like to talk about is the now playing feature, which is there in the Pixel phones. It basically is a default version of Shazam, which is always active. And if you're watching any movie or YouTube video, or you're walking in a mall where music is playing, your phone automatically detects the music which is playing around you or on your phone, and it directly transfers it
I'd
and
say
stores it on your phone.
I'd say it is like the most underrated feature right now.
Yeah.
Only Pixel has it, but I also want that feature. Like
I'm scared about that feature to
every
be
phone
honest.
should have that feature, you know?
I am a
Like
little scared about that feature though.
why?
Your phone is listening to you 24 hours. Oh my god, that's such an invasion of
It
privacy
is
though.
scary, obviously it's scary, but there might be a few
Uh,
protocols that might help with it.
Still, yeah, when
but
you just
what
saw
will the
how
phone do by listening to
Alexa,
you, Guru, for 24 hours?
it's not about that. It's just about like how you read about. Did you hear about the whole scandal when came out that without taking a permission, Google and Alexa were
Yeah,
like having farms of people listening to your voice
Hmm.
inputs and then using machine learning to actually improve it.
That's
So
technically
actual
not a
I,
people
machine
are
learning, but okay.
Yeah.
hearing like no, it basically teaching the machine
Yeah.
that this is what sound is. So it's so scary that actual people would be listening to those Google Homes and Alexa, which might be recording without you knowing,
yeah.
Damn. So
because
now
so many
someone,
times it just starts opening. It just starts without
Uh,
like it even hears like you don't even say hey Google and it just starts listening. So it's really scary when you
uh,
think about it
so
for a
damn,
moment.
you never know that some guy from Amazon is listening to our nuclear codes and launching some missiles. Surely, yeah. I'm clearly expecting him to launch these missiles. Sure.
Yeah, yeah,
Uh,
that is one ethnic debate which will take time.
yeah.
yeah,
Basically,
mm,
privacy and ethnic
yeah,
codes को violation हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है. There's a
yeah.
line, and
That's a
we
whole
need to
different
decide
topic
where
that we
that
can
line
discuss
is.
on.
That was this episode on the technology and smartphone. We'll see you in the next episode next week. Thank you for joining us.
Bye.